9 simple snacks that won't spike your blood sugar. Are you looking for some healthy snack ideas that won't spike your blood sugar? In this video, I'm going to show you 9 simple snacks that will help keep your energy levels up without making you feel guilty. Hi there, my name is Alicia, and in this video I'm going to show you 9 simple snacks that are not only delicious but also healthy and won't spike your blood sugar. These snacks are perfect for people who are trying to maintain a healthy lifestyle or lose weight. So whether you're at home or on the go, these snacks will help keep you satisfied until your next meal. Nuts. A few of them, about 1.5 ounces, can pack a significant nutritional punch with a low carb count. For a high fiber snack packed with excellent fats, nuts such as almonds, hazelnuts, walnuts, macadamia nuts, cashews, and pistachios are ideal. Mixed with a little bit of protein, they can prevent spikes in blood sugar levels. Chia seeds. These seeds are not only high in fiber but also contain omega-3 fatty acids, which are excellent for maintaining heart health and preventing spikes in blood sugar levels. Just a few tablespoons of chia seeds can help regulate your appetite. Cheese. Low-fat varieties like cottage cheese, ricotta cheese, and mozzarella are high-protein alternatives that can keep your blood sugar levels stable. A quarter cup of cottage cheese with a half cup of fruit. A slice of low-fat string cheese or ricotta spread on whole grain crackers is a healthy snack. Hummus. Yes, it contains carbohydrates, but they are broken down slowly by your body. That means they aren't absorbed as quickly as other carbs and don't cause blood sugar levels to surge. Hummus includes plenty of fiber and protein, making it filling. Use a third of a cup as a dip for vegetables or whole grain crackers instead of mayonnaise. Eggs. A scrambled egg white is a fast, healthy way to get your protein fix at home. Alternatively, to keep in the refrigerator for on-the-go snacking, boil a few hard-boiled eggs. Yogurt. To make a tasty sweet treat that's low in carbs, use plain low-fat yogurt to mix fresh fruit. Stir in soup mix and eat as a dip for veggies or low-sodium pretzels if you have a salty tooth. Popcorn. Place 3 cups of air-popped popcorn in a bag. To use as a grab-and-go alternative that is not overloaded with carbohydrates. With a little salt, it's the ideal salty crunch for an afternoon pick-me-up. Avocado. It's delicious as is, but you may also spice it up for a bit of a kick. For guacamole, mash 3 avocados with salsa, cilantro, and lime juice to taste. Tuna. A half cup of it blended with 4 soda crackers makes a tasty snack that won't break your blood sugar bank. Key takeaways. Nuts, cheese, and hummus are all great snacks that won't spike your blood sugar levels. Chia seeds, eggs, and yogurt are also good choices for snacks that are high in protein and fiber. Air-popped popcorn, avocado, and tuna are all excellent options for healthy snacks that are low in carbs. Thanks for watching. Share your thoughts in the comments and subscribe.